Apex Court today passed a landmark verdict where the Supreme Court ruled that Muslim women can seek maintenance or alimony from her husband under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. A bench of Justices B.V. Nagaratna and Augustine George Massey, which pronounced a separate but concurrent verdict, said that the law for seeking maintenance applies to all married women irrespective of their religion. The bench made it clear that maintenance is not charity but the right of a married woman. The Supreme Court also reiterated the importance of husbands providing financial support to their wives through practical measures like joint bank accounts and ATM access. The verdict, remember, comes after the top court dismissed the petition of Muhammad Abdul Samad, who has challenged the order of the Telangana High Court, refusing to interfere with the maintenance order of the family court. The SC judgment comes as a welcome move for many aggrieved Muslim women who were denied their due rights as married women post their divorces.
What should we note is that this judgment came on a petition for appeal filed by one Muhammad Abdul Samad, who had challenged the rupees 10,000 alimony the Telangana High Court had ordered him to pay to his divorced wife. But Supreme Court said we are dismissing this criminal petition, holding that CRPC, the benefit of CRPC, that is right to maintenance, in fact, available to a divorced wife is available to all, in fact, all women, irrespective of religion. A very significant remark coming in, a big victory for Muslim women rights. In fact, they were taking recourse to personal laws. Now the Supreme Court has said that this Section 125 CRP is a secular law applicable to all religions, and the biggest takeaway is that this is a Shah Bano Redux. Remember, in 1985, in a landmark judgment, it was for the first time Supreme Court said that Muslim women can avail Section 125 to avail maintenance. But the Rajiv Gandhi government, a year later in 1986, brought the Muslim women protection of right of divorced women under pressure from fundamentalists, in fact, conservative and militant Muslim leaders.